Hey there, beautiful people. Sorry, I've just heard that Djokovic has just won against the Australian government, so I think that's pretty fabulous news. And because the media has done a real trash job on him in the last few days, and I've just been going, come on, do it, because gave him his visa, gave him his exemption, got him to Australia, tried to humiliate him. Why do we want to do this to people who aren't doing what they want? Very, very interesting. Our rules, and they still try to, mess with him. Anyway, that's just good news. Anywho, I thought I would do one on our guide connection because, as I've said a million times, we need a million little miracles on the planet for things to be greater and better and more beautiful than ever before. So we need, in order to be moving forward with peace and love, I thought I would tell you a little story about one of my clients from many, many years ago. And she was very connected to her guides, and she was an automatic writer. So if she would put pen to paper at the end of the day, she would just start writing about her day. But as she would go through this process, her guides would take over. So automatic writers, so some people hear their guides, some people feel their guides, some people feel more like goosebumps or intuition. Some people just have a knowing about things that they couldn't possibly know about. Whereas this particular client, she had guides and she was a writer. So she would put pen to paper, and then when she would look back at it after time, there would be different handwritings, and she would basically get to this spot where she thought, anyway, so she believed she had 5 guides. And this is about 20 years ago. And I sent her off to one of my psychic practitioner friends, and I said, oh, you should go see Jeanette. So she went off to see Jeanette, and as soon as she walked in, Jeanette said to her, oh my God, you're really lucky. You've got your spirit guides are with you. And my client said, oh yeah, I'm really lucky to have 5 guides. And Jeanette said, no, 6. And she said, no, 5. She said, no, 6. The tall one's just really quiet. So anyway, I've always thought about spirit guides, and I don't know whether I have them or not, but I do know that I have many people in my world who have believed in their guides. They know things that they can't possibly know sometimes. They certainly have a belief in them. So I thought we would do a balance around our guide connections. What's blocking them, what's opening them up, and just sort of see what happens. So that's my intention for this session, is a guide connection balance. Okay, let's get into it.